Hello guys, today we're going to talk about HTML. So we're going to continue style from last video. So in the last video of style we talked about how to, how to do a background color and also how to have a different colored text. But today we're going to go more in depth, as in how to do HTML fonts, HTML text size, and HTML text alignment. So first thing is HTML fonts. So font family is the element used for fonts. So what it does, it changes your font, not font, but it changes your style of font. So like in Word, do you remember in font you have different types of themes like Arial black, Algerian, Berlin, so on. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So this is my example. I'm going to use Verdana and Career in order to represent my font theme. Okay, there it is, Verdana, and this is a heading, Career, this is a paragraph. Save this file and I'm going to open it. Okay, it says this is a paragraph, this is a heading. See, each style of the text is different. So when I said this is a heading, you can normally symbolize this is a heading and just like in a heading format, but it had a different kind of style. The same thing, if I did not include any of this, people will think this should be this, but I used Career as my theme of my font, so it changed on how it looks. So next thing we're going to talk about is our text size. So it's how we're going to talk about how to change or how to increase your text size. In last video we talked about how to do it like using font like 36XP or something like that, and here we're going to use percentages. I'm going to do it. So in order to increase your text size, we're going to use font dash size. Okay, save this file. Okay, this point I have a different sized heading. Like this is a heading is different, this paragraph is different. So let's say 3000 for the first one. Oh my god, look at this now. Okay, this is 300 font size versus this is 3000 font size. A huge difference. And this is regular 160 and this is also regular 160. So that's how the font size matter, and that's how you do it, using a font size element. It's the same format for every style. Like look at it, when I say font family, it's the same style or same format, and when I use font size, the same format. Okay, the last one we're going to talk about in style is how to align your text. So we're going to use text to align as our element. So there are, of course, basically there are three kinds of main text alignments, like center, left, and right. So we're going to use center and right in order to do it. So again, h1 style equals to quotation marks text dash align colon center semicolon, close it with the quotations, close bracket, and whatever you want to type in there as your text, and close your entire heading. Same thing applies to the paragraph too. Okay, save it and open it. Okay, so what I have said here is I want my align to be in the center as centered heading. As you can see, centered heading. Here I want my alignment to be at the right, so I say right paragraph. It is more on the right. So that's it. So we talked about how to use different kinds of theme fonts using font family Verdana, font family Courier, or also you could put Arial in here instead of Verdana. It's up to you, but font family is the element, and font size is the other element on how to define your text size using percentages. If you want to do it normally, you could go back and watch the previous video. I've explained it more in detail. And if you want to have as a text alignment to your center or your left or your right, you use element text align. And thank you for watching.